Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to another great video with your boy TERRI-ANN'S cooking vlog. So in today's video, guys, it's gonna be a little bit different. It's gonna be a carrot cake. So someone had asked me to do a video of how I make the carrot cake from start to finish. So I'm gonna walk you guys through the step of how I prepare the carrot cake. But this video is gonna be a little bit different because I'm gonna go around my sister, chilled with her for a little bit. So I'm just gonna do the video right. This reach at the location where I'm gonna shoot the video for the carrot cakes, and I have the carrot them in the sink. So before me even start, the first thing I have to do is just clean up the carrot with the vegetable peeler. I'm just cleaning up the carrot. So the video is gonna shoot at my sister yard, as I said before. But my sister, she's a person who don't like to be in the video, guys. She's shy, so you're not gonna see her in no video anytime soon. So after cleaning out the carrot, the next step is to shred the carrot, guys. So I'm shredding the carrot onto this grater. So the carrot can be grated and it also can be shredded. Guys, the grater is so sharp. The grater is really sharp. Look at it, how it's running real fast. I'm cupping the carrot, guys, and I'm just adding the carrot into this container. So for the carrot cake, you need 3 cups of carrot, 2.5 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of sugar for the cake, and 4 eggs, baking powder, which is 1 tablespoon of baking powder, so for the mixture of the carrot cake, you need 5 cups of flour. So in all, I have 6 cups of carrot. So it's basically 2 cake I'm gonna make. So that's 2 cups, 3 cups, 4 cups. Five cups, and you're also gonna need 8 eggs. So because of 2 cake I'm making, so basically everything is gonna be doubling. And also 2 cups of cooking oil. So I am just sieving the flour, guys, just running the flour through this strainer. So I am cracking the egg and just taking out the eye out of the egg. So it's gonna be 8 eggs, guys. So I'm just gently going through, taking out the eyes. So I'm adding 2 cups of cooking oil, guys, into the carrots. So look 2 cups. I'm just beating all the egg, guys. And remember that for the cake you need 8 eggs because it's 2 cake and baking. So I'm gonna add it into the carrot. So I'm gonna add the sugar in. That's 1 cup of sugar. Two. So it's 3 cups of sugar for the entire mixture. So I am adding 1 cup of fruit wine into the mixture of the carrot cake. I'm gonna add just a little bit more because I like the fruit wine. Give it a real good flavor. Tablespoon of rose water. And also 2 tablespoons of cinnamon extract. So the cinnamon extract is basically just cinnamon. They make it into the liquid, so it's cinnamon extract. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of cinnamon extract. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of vanilla. So I'm gonna use some cinnamon spice. So I'm just sieving it, guys. Like 2 teaspoons of the cinnamon spice. Baking powder, that's 1, 2, 4 teaspoons of baking soda, 1, 2, 4. So in all it's 6. So 2 of 1 and 4 of 1. I'm using 2 teaspoons of nutmeg. So I'm just mixing in the spice, guys, which is the nutmeg and the cinnamon powder. So this video is doing especially for one of my YouTuber. She live over there in UK, so she's asking for the carrot cake video. So that's why I'm doing this video, just to show how Caribbean Vibes make the carrot cake from start to finish. And this is Caribbean Vibe style of making the carrot cake. I always try to add a little twist to everything that I do, and this is just how I make the carrot cake, guys. So now I'm going to pour the carrots along with the egg that's in the carrot and the fruit wine into the flour. So I'm just mixing everything together, make the entire dough become one. So I'm just mixing out the flour, making sure that it is not lumpy. So however, you can use a mixer if you are making a carrot cake, but remember this is Caribbean Vibes way, so I'm using my hand just to mix it out, so it takes a little bit more patience and time. So you can add raisin in the carrot cake, nuts. It all depends on what you want to add into the carrot cake, because a lot of persons they cannot eat the raisins or the nuts. So I'm just making it this way, and this is the way how I like it. So bro, this is the mixture of the carrot cake. So I'm so busy right now, I'm just putting in the work. So this is it, look at it. So right now I am currently greasing the baking tin with some cooking oil. So I'm just using the brush and just brushing the oil all over. So I'm adding in the mixture now. It's all about the carrot cake today, guys. So now guys, I am just putting in the carrot cake, and there are so much things in the oven baking. We have some bread pudding and some carrot cake. So today is all about just chilling with my sister, and we're just vibing and just having a good time. So I don't know if you guys can hear me. So I am just checking on the carrot cake after 30 minutes. So this is what the carrot cake and the bread puddings are looking like. So my one is way up, but this is how they are looking like, which is carrot cake and bread pudding. So 30 minutes gone, guys, and it's another 30 minutes again. So I'm just checking on the carrot cake. So everything is coming on real good. So we're just checking on the everything accordingly, just to make sure everything come out smooth and safe and so. So look at the bread pudding, start getting the golden color, and the carrot cake just the same, looking real good. I'm checking on the carrot cake, guys. So it's all coming along, but as you guys can see, you could see the wetness, so it just need to soak some more. So it's still wet, so we just turn down the oven on it. So it's catching perfect sheen, which is the color, but the inside, some part of the inside is still wet. That means you need to soak some more. So I'm checking on the carrot cake. So because it's a big carrot cake, guys, so it takes more time to soak. So it's like 1 hour and 15 minutes now. I'm gonna give it another 5 minutes, and then in a 5-minute time it will all soak. So in 5-minute time I'm gonna check back on it. So people, I check on the carrot cake for the last time. After 1 hour and 30 minutes, the carrot cake finally done. You see the basically the finish, guys. See. So I'm just waiting on it to cool off. So you have to make it cool off before it can actually come out of the baking tin. And it's looking perfect. We reached the end of the video, guys. and this is the carrot cake. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, so when we upload the content, you'll be the first to receive the content from my channel. Peace out, guys.